Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add +9 on two phone number in Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this phone number, select cells into comma, hold shift +9 on space, hold shift and add phone number cells. Press enter and autofill options use or not use as your wish. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.